How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure you have an active Chase account. You can order currencies through personal checking or savings account. Now, I will guide you through three processes on how to order foreign currency from Chase Bank. First, visit a Chase branch. Locate a nearby Chase branch using the Chase website or app. It's advisable to call ahead to inform they have the currency you need. Second, use the Chase website or mobile app. Log in and access your Chase online banking account and look for the Accounts tab and then find Foreign Currency Exchange. Now select the currency by choosing the currency you wish to order and specify the amount. Third, order via phone. Call Chase customer service and provide your account details and specify the currency and amount you want to order. So this is how you can order currencies from Chase Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.